Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Thank you very much for attending this event, and I think it's very crucial. The ordinance that passed in AJK is against all human right violation, and I totally condemn this ordinance, and I think the government should take it back and let the Kashmiri live that way they want to live. And they should be an independent state. People should be free to say whatever. That we live in this country. We have freedom of speech. In our state, there's no freedom of speech. So I condemn this, and I'm telling the Pakistan government and AJK government immediately remove this ordinance and let people live that way they want to live. Thank you very much.
इस तरह के ऑर्डिनेंस को फौरी तौर पर रिमूव किया जाए तो मैं रियली अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ कि ये इस सिस्टम में रहते हुए अमेरिकन पॉलिटिशियंस को भी बताते हैं। और यहाँ पे आज जो प्रोग्राम आपने देखा ये न्यूयॉर्क सिटी का था और इनकी एफर्ट हम सब के लिए काबिल फ़ख्र हैं ये। थैंक यू सो मच।